If you're going to take this off, again, you go like that, perpendicular to the windshield. You see that? And then that just basically pops right out. All right, got a quick one for you today. We're going to replace the rear windshield wiper of a 2022 Kia Sportage. You'll see here we've got our make-do little Band-Aid. This broke on our last long cross-country trip, so we got a new one ordered just to show you which one we have. It's the Bosch H275. This is actually kind of hard to find to fit the back of the Kia Sportage. So what you're going to do, the trick is, and as it's raining, the wife's upset that she's out in the rain, you're going to basically pull this all the way back. You see that? How it pulls out? And then look at the way that this is here, and then your Bosch that's on here. So this little notch that's in here, you guys see that? What you're gonna do is slide it up. You see, if you want to get up high maybe. And it's basically gonna snap in place. So that snaps in place, and then you're gonna bring this down. You're gonna feel like you're breaking it, but it's gonna go ahead and go almost perpendicular to the windshield, and that's all you have to do. That is an installed rear windshield wiper for the 2022 Kia Sportage, again, Bosch H275. If you're gonna take this off, again, you go like that, perpendicular to the windshield, you see that? And then that just basically pops right out. So you see how very easy, simple, intuitive design. This goes right on, snaps in, have that click down flat, goes here, you're ready to go. You've got a brand new windshield that you've put on there by yourself. These are less than $15 a piece. I got this on Amazon, and then now we can take the rag back to our car wash place, Scrubbles. We appreciate you letting us use this for about a week or so. That's it, we're done.